Key important news, though, this week that's going on is that BlackRock's IBIT options just surpassed Deribit. So this is BlackRock's IBIT options open interest on NASDAQ hit a 27.61 billion this week. So it surpassed Deribit's 26.9 billion, just barely, but it's more in Bitcoin options. This is a first, and it means the primary price discovery mechanism for Bitcoin derivatives has basically shifted from a native crypto exchange to a US regulated stock exchange. That's a very big deal. So whoever controls the largest option market shapes the price expectation that traders and markets hedge around. So Bitcoin's price behavior will increasingly be explained by NASDAQ market structure dynamics rather than the crypto structure by dynamics. So earnings season, macro sentiment, institutional rebalancing rather than the crypto information. So it's less of a free market anymore. It's now becoming part of the strategic standard NASDAQ based, stock exchange type of markets that will only last as long as those stock exchanges don't get crushed, which I see happening eventually. So astrologically, this is that duality in place: communication, information, infrastructure. And the shift in where Bitcoin's price information is being generated is a Uranus and Gemini story, right? Again, it's financial version of that. And Litecoin secretly patched its 0 day 4 weeks early. So what's happening is Litecoin had a 13 blockchain reorganization on April 25, 26 via an exploit in its MWEB privacy layer. Litecoin officially sold this was not a 0 day, but CoinDesk obtained the GitHub commit history showing the vulnerability was privately patched between March 19th and 26th, 4 weeks before the attack hit. So the community was not notified of the vulnerability during those 4 weeks, during which users continued transacting on MWeb. So, I don't like it when these companies don't tell you about the vulnerabilities, and that's happening a lot across Litecoin, and also AI companies are doing this as well. This is not good for us. So this matters because obviously it's a disclosure integrity question. So for every privacy layer that's implemented on crypto and also on AI, same thing. And they're going to merge eventually. So if a vulnerability is discovered and patched privately before public notification, users just can't protect themselves, right? And so they're exposed without consent. And the 13 block reorg, the deepest chain reorganization by a major POW chain in years, shows the real world severity of this. It was a big deal. This all happened with all this hidden knowledge stuff that I've been talking about and the need to change strategy. This is all the astrology context of this. And so basically the knowledge has been kept in shadow, kept secret, but that's going to break free and it's going to change in the next couple of months. So, be aware that this secrecy cannot hold for a long period of time.